In this lesson, we'll decide which value of C makes a product profitable. The cost is C plus $8, and the selling price is C times 7 minus C dollars. We want the revenue to be greater than the cost. We'll solve it algebraically and confirm the answer visually. Profit is revenue minus cost. For a profit, revenue is greater than cost. So we write C times 7 minus C is greater than C plus 8. Let's solve the inequality. Expand the left. C times 7 minus C is 7C minus C squared. Bring everything to one side. Negative C squared plus 6C minus 8 is greater than 0. Multiply by negative 1 and flip the inequality. C squared minus 6C plus 8 is less than 0. Factor to get C minus 2 times C minus 4 is less than 0. A product of two factors is negative between the roots, so C is between 2 and 4. From the choices 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8, only C equals 3 is in that interval. Now, let's confirm visually. We'll plot revenue and cost versus C. The blue curve is revenue C times 7 minus C, a downward parabola. The red line is cost C plus 8. Where they intersect, revenue equals cost at C equals 2 and C equals 4. Revenue is above cost between those points, so the profit is positive there. Notice C equals 3 is in that region. To reinforce the idea, we can also graph the profit function revenue minus cost. It crosses the horizontal axis at C equals 2 and C equals 4, and is above the axis between them. Therefore, the product is profitable for values of C between 2 and 4. Among the choices, only C equals 3 works. The correct answer is option C, C equals 3.